Okay, so when you go into the lab to make your poster, you're going to want to sign into your computer just the way you do in technology. And then if it asks you to start a mobile account, hit don't create. If it asks you to sign into your Apple ID, click the little circle in front of the words that say don't sign in, then hit continue and skip. And then on the bottom here, you're going to go into Google Chrome. And it might say something to you like, do you really want to have Chrome as your default browser? Keep hitting yes, yes, Chrome, Chrome, Chrome. You want to use Chrome. Then up in this top part, you're going to see your app switcher. You're going to click on that and you're going to go to Drive. And this is where you're going to sign into Drive. And you will have to sign into Drive just the way you sign into your Chromebook with the first 5 letters of your last name, first 5 letters of your first name, middle initial 00 at isd728.org, and then your password is your lunch number. Okay, so I just put my password in. And then once you log into Chrome, then you are going to go to the app switcher again. This is your second time going to the app switcher. You're going to click on it. And this time you're going to go to slides. When you go to slides, then you'll click on blank presentation right here. And then you are going to make your layout blank. So right away go to your layout because you want to start with just a clean slate here. So go to layout and then choose blank. Okay, so then you're going to think about what you want to make for your poster. Are you going to make a poster about standing up for your friend if they get cyberbullied? Is your poster going to be how to deal with cyberbullying by stop blocking and telling an adult? Is it going to be about one of the tools we learned about? Maybe you'll do a poster about your favorite tool that you're going to use if someone tries to bully you, or maybe you're going to show several of the tools so that people have some tips that they can look at to stop a bully. Or maybe your poster is going to be about, that we're all a team and we're here to support each other and that we need to be good to each other. So you decide what your poster is going to be about, and then you're going to need to put in a text box for the title of your poster. So I'm going to draw in my text box, and maybe my poster is going to be stand by your friend when they get bullied. Okay, that's way too little, so I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to change my font size to like 36. I want this alignment to be in the middle, so I'm going to go to more, and then this one right here is alignment right here. And if I hover over it, it'll say align. I'm going to click on it and choose this one. This is center. And it even, if I hover enough, it'll show that that means center. And I think that looks better. I'm also going to change my text color. I'm going to make that purple. And I want to put in an image now to go with my title, Stand by Your Friend When They Get Bullied. And if you notice on my title, the first letter of every word starts with a capital letter because the title of my poster is like the title of a book. So now I want to put in a picture to go with this. So I'm going to go to Insert right here, and I'm going to go to Image. And I'm going to search for image of a friend, and we'll see what we come up with. And I like this picture of these two friends here, these two red guys with square heads. So I'm going to click on that, and here they are. And this actually really fits because he has like a frowny face on, so maybe he got bullied, and he has a smiley face on, meaning that maybe he's comforting his friend. And then I'm going to put in some speech bubbles. If I go to my shapes right here and I go to call outs, there's some great speech bubbles down here. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to have this guy here say, and if I see this yellow dot right here, if I click on it, I can drag it to where his mouth is so that it looks like he is saying this right here. And then I double click inside this box, and I'm going to have him say, "Are you okay?" And then I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to go to like 30, and then I'm going to put another speech balloon by him. So I go back to shapes, and I'm going to go to callouts, and then I'm going to choose this one that's kind of oval. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go on that that yellow dot, and I'm going to drag that to his mouth, and I'm going to have him say, "Thank you for being a good friend." And then I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to make that font bigger. That's font color. Oopsie, I need to click back in there so that my toolbar shows the font size. I'm going to click there. I'm going to make that 20. Oops, I have to highlight it. Goodness sakes. I'm going to go there, and I'm going to go to 30. And now that's too big. I could go and shrink it, but I could make this speech bubble bigger as well, and then it'll fit in there. And then this is a pretty good poster right here. Oops, I got to move this little yellow thing so it's by his mouth again. So I'm going to title this. I'm going to go up to Untitled Presentation, and I'm going to title this Bully. so that I can come back to it because I don't think today you're going to get a chance to completely finish. But if you do finish, that's fine. But if you but by the end of like today, when Mrs. Felska says it's time's up, everyone make sure that you title your poster here "Bully," and then next time when I see you, we can finish it. All right, thanks, guys.